Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Chefman Cordless Portable Blender. This budget-friendly option comes in at $25.92 and offers surprising versatility for its price. The 16-ounce BPA-free blending jar is perfect for single servings, and the stainless steel blades do a decent job of crushing ice and blending fruits for smoothies or shakes. One standout feature is the USB-C rechargeable battery, which allows for up to 20 blending cycles on a full charge. Plus, the LED indicators are a nice touch, letting you track battery life and potential errors. In terms of design, the Chefman is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a backpack or purse for on-the-go blending. While it's not the most powerful blender on this list, it's perfect for light use, such as post-workout protein shakes or quick smoothies during your commute. The removable accessories are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup hassle-free. However, the Chefman does have its limitations. It struggles with tougher ingredients like frozen fruits and large ice chunks, and the build quality is not as durable as premium models. Still, for casual users seeking portability on a budget, it's a solid choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. At just $21.99, this is the most affordable option on the list. But don't let the price fool you. It packs a punch. The 14-ounce BPA-free travel jar doubles as a convenient go cup, making it ideal for smoothies, protein shakes, or even salad dressings. Its compact design fits most car cup holders, making it great for commuting or small kitchen spaces. The stainless steel blades handle ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens reasonably well, although don't expect heavy-duty performance. The simple one-touch blending makes it incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners. Cleanup is a breeze as all components, including the blending jar, blades, and lid, are dishwasher safe. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take it anywhere you need. The downside is that it's a corded blender, which limits portability compared to cordless models. Additionally, it has only one speed setting, meaning it's not as versatile as higher-end options. But for a no-frills personal blender that gets the job done, the Hamilton Beach is hard to beat for the price. At number 3, we have the Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender. Priced at $54.95, this cordless blender delivers solid performance and portability. Its 18-ounce capacity is slightly larger than most personal blenders, making it ideal for bigger servings. The stainless steel blast blade assembly and ribbed vessel create a vortex that ensures smooth blending, even with frozen ingredients and ice. The separate power and blend buttons add a layer of safety, preventing accidental blending. The design is sleek and modern, with a hinged carry handle and a sip lid for easy on-the-go use. It's USB-C rechargeable, and the battery life is decent for portable blending needs. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a self-cleaning cycle that requires just water and dish soap. This makes it a convenient option for busy lifestyles. While it's not as powerful as corded models, the Ninja BC151NV offers excellent portability and quality for its price. It's great for making smoothies, shakes, or any quick blend while traveling, though it might struggle with very tough ingredients. Overall, it's a reliable mid-range option for those who need flexibility without breaking the bank. Taking the runner-up spot is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, priced at $59.99. This blender stands out with its powerful 700-watt motor base that pulverizes frozen ingredients and crushes ice with ease. It's versatile enough for smoothies, shakes, food prep, and even nutrient extraction. allowing you to blend whole fruits and veggies for maximum health benefits. The included recipe guide is a nice touch, offering inspiration for making sauces, protein shakes, and more. The design is compact yet durable, fitting comfortably on any countertop without taking up much space. You get two 16-ounce BPA-free cups with spout lids, making it perfect for sharing or prepping multiple servings at once. Cleanup is simple, as all parts are dishwasher safe. The Pulse technology offers intuitive control, giving you the ability to blend to your preferred consistency. While the Ninja Fit lacks portability due to its corded design, its raw blending power makes it a top choice for at-home use. It's ideal for anyone who wants professional-grade results in a personal blender format. The higher price is justified by its performance and durability, making it a great investment for smoothie enthusiasts. And finally, the top spot goes to the Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender, priced at $89.99. This premium option redefines portability without compromising on performance. Featuring a 22-ounce twist-and-go vessel, it offers the largest capacity on our list, perfect for those who need a full-sized serving. Ninja Power Blast technology rivals corded blenders in power, effortlessly crushing ice and blending frozen ingredients. It comes with 3 intelligent Auto IQ programs: Smoothie, Crush, and Blend, making it highly versatile. The detachable vessel is lightweight and easy to carry, while the built-in sip lid and silicone handle ensure convenience. The real-time battery indicator keeps you informed about charge status, and the rechargeable base delivers the longest runtime among cordless blenders. Cleanup is equally impressive, with top-rack dishwasher-safe components and a self-cleaning function. While it's the most expensive option, the Ninja Blast Max delivers unmatched portability and performance. It's an excellent choice for anyone who prioritizes flexibility, blending power, and convenience. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply enjoying smoothies at home, this blender is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.